Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's recipe is a kid special recipe and anyone who want to gain their weight can be consumed it. Nutrient values of this recipe is completely checked out in the end of the video. Please watch it completely. Let's start the recipe. To a bowl add 120 grams of ripe one papaya, so which is thoroughly washed and cleaned and cut into the pieces. Do not refrigerate it. Use the fresh fruits and fresh vegetables always. Make sure the fruits are neatly peeled and chopped into the pieces properly. Then next to it add the pieces of banana. So here comes the banana of exactly 30 to 50 grams. There is also a special weight loss drink in our YouTube channel. Link in the description. Please check it out. Here comes the next ingredient, which is jaggery. That is also grated one, which is easy to dissolve in it when we are mixing. And also do not use any alternate for sugar, only use jaggery. And it comes nearly 20 grams. I am using only 20 grams, so please don't use excess. Added a spoonful of grated coconut, which is dry one. So it comes around 15 grams. You can see it in the video. Also, coconut is a good source of energy. So next is the main ingredient. Please do not skip it while you're consuming. It is milk, which is of 50 ml. I am using the full fat milk, which is of 50 ml. The milk should be chilled one. It should be not piping hot, warm, lukewarm or room temperature. Always use it with chilled milk. Then mix the mixture thoroughly, either by using a spoon or your choice. Make sure the jaggery is dissolved completely in it. Also, you can use the quantity of milk according to your choice. That's it, our recipe is ready. So you can consume it in the mid-morning or mid-afternoon snack. Enjoy the recipe. These are the list of the nutrients for the recipe I have prepared. For more videos, please do follow Sparkling Springs.